Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video it's going to be a demo slash review on the new Lash Blast eyelash primer and Flourish by Lash Blast mascara by Covergirl. First, I am going to start by curling my lashes. After I curl my lashes, I apply the primer, and I only apply one coat of primer, and I really love this primer, you guys. It feels super lightweight and I feel like it helps with the length of my lashes, and it doesn't make my lashes stick together, and I just really love this primer. I never used lash primer before because I thought it was going to be heavy on my eyes or it was going to be too clumpy, but this is not the case. I really love this primer. It's amazing. Now we're gonna move on to mascara, and I first apply one coat of mascara, and I am shocked, you guys. I really enjoy this mascara. My problem is that all the time when I apply mascara, it doesn't hold the curl, and look at this, you guys. It's so amazing. One coat. I love it. I decided to apply a second coat to see if the lash was going to hold the curl, and it was perfect. It held the curl. My lashes were not sticking together, and they are very nice, very separated. So I recommend this mascara 100%. I love it. I have been using this mascara every day when I'm not wearing lashes, and it makes me feel super comfortable with my own lashes. So that's it, you guys, for this video. I hope you all enjoy it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video.